Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your WhatsApp is not downloading or sending the voice messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve this issue, you just simply have to open your setting application into your phone. And after opening the setting application, just simply go to app settings and go to permissions. And into permission, you just simply have to go into this storage option first, because if your storage permission might be off, your voice messages will not be downloaded into your WhatsApp. Now just simply scroll down until you see your app of WhatsApp, and if this toggle for storage permission is disabled, just simply enable that, and after that voice messages will be downloaded into your WhatsApp. And the second thing, if you cannot send voice messages into WhatsApp, just simply go to the microphone permissions, and same as storage permission, if your microphone permission is disabled for WhatsApp, you cannot send voice messages from the WhatsApp. Now simply find WhatsApp and open the toggle for microphone permission of WhatsApp into here. Then after that, you can easily download or send voice messages into your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.